Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to turn on the camera real quick and show you guys a few moisturizers that I know work for sure and that are cheap, that work for sure on oily skin, that actually like penetrate the skin and help you not produce so many oils. So I just jumped out of the shower right now and I turned on the camera and you guys can see how much red pigment I have throughout my skin, especially in my face. Now, if you get out of the shower and you notice that you have like more red pigmentation, why would that be? Probably because your skin has become a tad bit too dry after washing it in the shower or washing it in the sink, under the sink, or whatever you say. That would be number one tip. Okay, and you do turn red because you do need to put some moisturizers on that and you need to hydrate that skin. Okay, number two would be when you wash your face and your skin is like, you just feel that dryness, that tightness. That means that you need to put a moisturizer. So let's go ahead and just jump straight to my nighttime routine. This is the number one, and I'm not kidding, I'm not sponsored, I am nothing affiliated with this company, Tarte Maracuja oil. Now, if you have acne-prone skin, you will love this because this actually will treat acne as well. So this is just Tarte Maracuja oil. I have tried knockoffs, they were not the same. I don't know how they process this, but this it's just a dropper with oil, and you put this all over the face at night. You go to sleep looking like you're all greasy, but you wake up in the morning and believe it or not, a lot of this product will actually absorb within. Wash your face with a light cleanser and just take off that top layer and your skin will stay nice and plump and it will stop producing so many oils. Now, the second thing, yes, I cook with this too. This is pure coconut oil. Now, typically I would get the one that has, well, obviously, no artificial colors or preservatives, but I get the one that's like cold pressed or something. This is one I had in the cabinet. I don't know where the other bottle is of the one that I use. Now, this is fabulous. This absorbs so much into the skin, but if you are prone to breakouts, you do not want to use that. You do want to go with the Tarte Maracuja oil. Now, these are just two moisturizers I've been grabbing lately. This would be the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. Works for 12 hours. This actually helps so much control my oil, especially, I mean, actually in any weather, humid weather, dry weather, it doesn't matter. This helps. I put a thin layer of this and find that it really soaks into my skin. And I don't produce as much. Now, this is another one I've been grabbing lately. It's the Neutrogena Naturals Brighten Daily Moisturizers with Sunscreen. This is the one I'm going to be wearing today because it is very, very sunny outside and very, very hot. You guys can see it's not a super runny formula, but then again, it is lightweight. And I'm just going to place it on so you guys can see. You see? Boom. But look at how red my skin's gonna turn. Look how red my skin turned. Why? Because my skin was really dehydrated. Now, within a few minutes, this redness will go down and it will subside. Now, let me just kind of show you. So you do get a little bit of the stickiness with the Neutrogena Naturals. You get a little bit of stickiness, but if you're wearing a foundation, that is fabulous because you do want that little bit of a stickiness so that your foundation adheres to it. Now, if I was staying indoors all day, I would be using this one. This is the Simple. Now watch how red I'm going to turn again. Now see, this just absorbs and it dries down lovely. But, okay, you can see it already started going down the redness, but look at this. It happens to me everywhere, girls. I don't know why it happens all over my body. It's just something I got from my dad. But anyways, I thought this video would help you guys. If I can find any of the links to these products, I will post them down below. If not, well, you can go to your grocery store, Sephora, or I think these are grocery stores as well. But if you're down there in the comment section and are going to drop me a comment, please hit that thumbs up button while you're down, that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.